We allege that the defendants knew their actions in falsifying the affidavit could create a dangerous situation, and we allege these unlawful acts resulted in Ms. Taylor's death. The charges announced today also allege that the officers responsible for falsifying the affidavit that led to the search took steps to cover up their unlawful conduct after Ms. Taylor was killed.
2 current and 2 former Louisville, Kentucky police officers were hit with federal charges this week in connection with the 2020 botched raid that led to Breonna Taylor's death. Earlier, I spoke with Benjamin Crump, attorney for Breonna Taylor's family. Mr. Crump, welcome back to this Sunday show. The Justice Department charges against those 4 officers come after Kentucky had failed to prosecute 3 of the 4 police officers for Breonna's death. Your reaction to this move?
Well, Jonathan Capehart, my reaction and the family's reaction is, first, thank God that Kentucky Attorney General Daniel Cameron did not have the last word in relations to whether or not Breonna Taylor would get justice. And Breonna Taylor's family, especially her mother, Tamika Palmer, is so grateful to Attorney General Merrick Garland and Christian Clark, the Assistant Attorney General who has the Civil Rights Division, for having the courage to follow the facts wherever they lead. And for the first time in the history that police officers are charged for killing a black woman in the United States of America on the federal level. It is something that is historic on every level, and it's inspiring to many of us who went out and voted for this administration to say we want to believe in the concept of liberty and justice for all, and that means Breonna Taylor and black women.
But Attorney Crump, you of all people are also mindful of the law, but also mindful of just how much higher the stakes are and higher the evidentiary procedures are when it comes to federal cases, and also how difficult it is to not just prosecute, but convict police officers or former police officers in the killings of civilians, particularly African Americans. How confident are you that the Justice Department will be successful in holding all 4 of those police officers accountable for Breonna Taylor's death?
Well, Jonathan, you and I have been working and talking about these matters since Trayvon Martin. And in those 10 years, what we have known is you can never take for granted that African Americans will get equal justice when a police officer kills them unjustly. But we look at this Justice Department under the Biden administration, and what they have shown us is precedent set in journey. George Floyd, the police officers who killed him were convicted on the federal level. Ahmaud Arbery, the young black man who was lynched for jogging while black, with all those amongst the lynch mob were convicted on the federal level. So we are hopeful. We are as optimistic as ever. This Justice Department, Jonathan Capehart, has shown a greater commitment to civil rights, I think, than any other Justice Department, save probably Robert Kennedy, who, was focused on helping Dr. King and John Lewis get civil rights in the South during their administration. So we are encouraged.